is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, and I hope it was fun, and I really hope that y'all were safe this morning, or whenever y'all went Black Friday shopping this morning, last night, you know, whatever. Really hope that y'all were safe, because y'all, them old people for Black Friday, them grandkids be important. They be wanting to say, they be wanting to give them grandbabies something. Come on, Jeffrey, we gotta go get this come on now, we gotta go get this grandbaby this toy. And then go in there and beat a 20-year-old mother up for a toy. Yeah. Actually, I don't know if that ever happened. I just thought it was funny. Anyways, so I know I'm not a diesel channel, but I saw something the other day that I didn't really understand. I didn't really read about it. I kind of glanced and was getting everybody else's, and was kind of watching what everybody else was saying. But it's a company called, I think it's Sinister Diesel. And from what I can gather, like I said, I didn't read it. I don't own a diesel, so I just didn't read it. I love a diesel, I want a diesel, but I just did not read it. Partly because your boy forgot. Like, your boy got CRS. Can't remember shit. But anyways, the company Sinister Diesel, I saw a picture of, I can't remember what truck it was, but they had like everything that they could powder coat on an engine bay. They had it painted blue. It looked really good. Like, I've seen some really awesome diesel builds, and like I said, as long as I think everybody has their own niche, everybody has their own style, but a really good looking diesel. Oh boy, let me tell you about the deal. But anyways, they are suing. They are saying they made the color blue. So they sent this guy a letter or email or something, and was talking about suing him because he painted his stuff blue. And I guess their logo is blue or something, or they use blue parts. I really don't know. Like I said, I don't really keep up with diesel trucks or diesels companies because I don't currently own one. Your boy had a dumb moment. I just got my cruise control off. I don't really keep up with it because I don't own a diesel. But you can't sit there, you can't, or just pull out in front of me, whatever. How are you gonna sue somebody for using the color blue? Because I'm pretty sure their business is going down. Like, I read something and it was like they are going bankrupt or something. Okay, officer, you are on your phone. That's totally legal, buddy. Sorry, I passed a cop. He was sitting in the intersection on his phone. I do gotta keep an eye out there because I kind of passed him running 65 or 70 or so. But the speed limit was 65 last time I looked at it, so. Oh well. Anyways, I'm pretty sure the company's going bankrupt. Like I said, when I saw it, somebody said that it was something to the effect of, are y'all that bad are y'all's business that bad that y'all gotta sue for the color blue? Like, how can you sue for the color blue? You don't own the color blue. Okay, so I can't really turn the camera around, but there's a dude who just passed me in a Honda Accord. He driving his girlfriend's Honda. He's got baby girl on the tag.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah. Anyways, like, you can't really sue for the color blue because it's not something that y'all made. It's something that y'all use, but it's not something that y'all made. So how can you sue for somebody using the color blue? If that's the case, you can't just sue trucks. You can't just sue people who own diesels. You gotta sue everybody because everybody uses the color blue. Like,
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
what? Like, how? Like I said, if y'all that bad off, find another way. But y'all, they just pretty much just kill their business. Like, if I owned a diesel and I was looking at getting something for them and I saw that picture, I wouldn't buy nothing from them for that simple fact. Like I said, how can you sit there and want to sue for the color blue? Because I painted my turbos and my valve cover blue, put a picture of it, now you're gonna send me an email or a letter and threaten to sue me. Like, I don't know. But like I said, I don't own one, so I didn't read too much on it. So I don't know. I'll keep an eye out for how it plays out because I'm interested in it. And I know this isn't a diesel channel. There's no diesels on this channel. But anything car and truck related, I'm going to try to cover as long as I can, as long as I can. Like, I don't understand it. Like, I don't understand how you can threaten to sue for the color blue. But let me know what y'all think down below. Let me know if y'all read that post. And if y'all got some more information, comment down below about it. Or message me on Instagram or something like that. Or message me on my Facebook page. Oh, I haven't even told y'all. I think I told y'all once. But if you didn't watch the video, I have made me my own Facebook page. It is under Night Rider 93, same as my YouTube name. Go ahead and give my page a like, because that is another good way to interact with me. So if you have any more information about this, or if you own a diesel and maybe you've gotten the letter, give me some more information and I'll make a second video. I mean, I just think this is wild. I think they have pretty much legitimately killed their business. But I am out. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think. And I will catch y'all next time. Peace.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know. Better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.